Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this game Melon, welcome back for another tutorial guys. So today's video mga lods, gagawin naman tayo ng Alight Motion tutorial mga lodi, which is the smooth and basic shake tutorial guys. Anyway, disclaimer guys, so sa mga beginners lang to, no? So kung medyo hype ka na mag-edit, so pwede naman itong skip. So sa mga hindi pa matutong mag-Alight Motion guys, so para sa inyo tong video na to, so i-share ko sa inyo guys kung paano nga ba mag-smooth and basic shakes dito sa Alight Motion app guys. Okay, so yes, let's start na agad mga lodi. So dito sa ano natin, project, ilagay ko dyan automatic ng sounds, no? So bali ganito lang mag-add ng sounds guys. So bali, yeah, since video yung ano natin, so extract audio lang natin, no? For example, delete muna natin to. So yes, delete this one and add muna natin yung pinaka audio natin. So since video, so click nyo lang tong plus, add lang kayo ng media which is video. So extract audio nyo lang to guys. Ilagay ko dyan sa comment section yung link dito guys, no? Extract audio. And then delete na lang natin tong video guys. Ayan, para sounds lang yung maano natin. Okay? So next guys. So yung markings naman, andyan. So nilagay ko dyan automatic yung markings guys. So bali, click lang to pag naglagay kayo ng mark. So andyan sa comment section yung markings guys. Pwede nyo mang ano. Anyways, ratio natin 9:16, 1080p the resolution, frame rate is 30 fps, and background is black. Okay? So, ganyan lang. And after dito mga lods, yeah, let's start. Add na agad kayo ng first picture na gusto nyo i-add. Okay? Or gusto nyo i-edit. And then ito guys, extend na natin dito sa may 12.05. Click ito para ma-extend. Then click na itong 3 dots sa taas guys para ma-fill composition area natin para malapat lahat sa screen. And click na lang itong move and transform pag gusto nyo siyang i-align or i-ano mismo sa pinaka-ratio ng ano natin. Next, dito na part, add naman din kayo dyan ng next picture, okay? And then itong next picture dito guys, dito nyo na siya extend sa may 14.25. Click nyo yan, extend. Okay. Next, same. Continue kayo guys, add kayo ng next part. Then add kayo ng next pictures. And then ito naman guys, same. So extend it to 17.15 and i-fill composition area nyo to guys. Okay, next. Dito sa may 17.15, add kayo ng next part. Extend nyo sa may 20.05. Then click this 3 dots sa taas guys. Fill composition area ulit. And then the next, add kayo ng last clip or picture and then extend into the last part. And click nyo tong 3 dots sa taas, fill composition area lang natin, okay? After that guys, after dito, so next natin gagawin is mag-move and transform tayo each clip. So dito tayo mag-start guys, sa may center part ng markings, sa clip na yan. Move and transform, zoom icon tayo guys, here. So first guys, click nyo tong keyframe, first put a keyframe, and sa last part, mag-zoom lang kayo guys. Okay, din copy nyo tong graph na to guys. Anyways, naka-overshoot yan. So, ganyan lang. So, bali ganito yung kalabasan dito mga lodi. Lagyan lang keyframe yung center and sa last, lagyan din is zoom. So, ganito lang. Same pa rin dito yung steps. Move and transform. Zoom icon. So, yes. First, put a keyframe dito. Click nyo yan. And sa last part is mag-zoom kayo guys. Ayan, then copy lang natin tong graph na to. Anyway, ganito yung itsura niya. So, i-click na lang to guys, yung 3 dots sa taas, enable or disable overshoot. So, click ang 3 dots para ma-enable yung overshoot guys. Then, ganito yung graphs niya dito. This one, okay. So, then after dito guys, next, dito naman is move and transform. Same pa rin yung process niya guys. So, yes. Sa last part, mag-zoom lang kayo. And copy nyo itong graph na ito mga lodi. Ayan. So, next dito naman. So, same process. Okay. So, bali, next natin gagawin guys is, yes, mag-split every marquee agad tayo dito. Here. And dito. Dito. And then dito. Okay. So, ganyan guys. After that, so, ganyan lang. And after dito mga lod, so, lagay na agad tayo ng basic shakes dito sa pinaka intro part. Okay, click nyo yan, effects, add effects lang tayo now. First is details, enable yung mirror. Second one is add lang kayo agad ng oscillate guys. Oscillate, so angle, change lang into 0 degrees guys. Okay, then frequency 0.40 Hz mga lodi. And the magnitude is 15. After dito mga lods, so next, duplicate this, oscillate, okay? Yung kikita dinuplicate nyo, change the angle naman into 90 degrees. Okay, then the frequency 0.30. And the next magnitude guys, 25. Okay, next, after that sa oscillate, add na agad kayo ng next, which is the swing effect mga lodi. So, swing mga lods, frequency 0.80 Hz. Okay, 0.80 Hz. And the angle 1 is -1. And the angle 2 is +1. Okay, next is add kayo ng next effect guys, which is the fade in and out mga lods. Okay, fade in and out guys, in change lang to into 1.50 seconds. And the out guys is 1 seconds. Okay, so i-change lang natin yung in into 2 seconds lang guys, yan. So ganyan no, ganyan yung first shake nyo dyan sa pinaka intro. So next guys, dito tayo sa lower part na to mga lod. Dito, dito, dito. So unahin natin yan. So ganito lang yung adjustment nyo dito or shake. So click the effects, add effects, and start kayo sa tiles guys, enable the mirror. Okay, next proceed with the motion blur. Change the motion blur into 1.60. And the next is oscillate. So yes, after that motion blur, add the oscillate, and yeah, oscillate guys, turn nyo lang to into 90 degrees. And the frequency 0.40 Hz. Okay, and the magnitude is, yeah, change lang yung magnitude nito into 110 first keyframe. And the last keyframe is 0 nyo lang guys. Okay, next after here, so add agad kayo ng next guys, which is the exposure gamma. So exposure gamma, first keyframe is change lang into 2. And the last keyframe change into 0. Okay, then copy itong graph na ito mga lods. Yan. So next guys, after here, so copy all effects agad natin to guys. And i-paste natin dito, dito, and dito. So, paste natin dyan lahat. Okay, next. After dito mga lods. So, dito naman sa upper part. So, ganito lang yung ano niya dito. So, iba naman. So, i-click nyo yan. Effects. Add effects naman. So, first, add lang kayo ng tiles guys and enable the mirror. Second one is the oscillate. Oscillate guys, angle, first key from the angle naman is 0. Last keyframe is 169 degrees. Okay, frequency is 2.10 Hz. And the magnitude, first key from the magnitude is 120. First keyframe 120, and the last keyframe is 0 nyo lang guys. Okay, next after here, add the swing effect. Swing guys, frequency is 1.11. Change lang, walang keyframe to, 1.11 Hz. And the angle 1, first keyframe for the keyframe now first is -3.0 degrees, and the last keyframe is 0.0. Okay, next angle 2, first key from the angle 2 is +3, and the last keyframe is 0.0. Okay, next after here, add effect naman, which is the motion blur. Change the motion blur into 1.60, and the next is the mirror. Add lang kayo guys ng mirror, search nyo lang no. Mirror guys, first keyframe is 100. Last keyframe is 0 lang natin. Okay, then copy this graph guys for the mirror. Okay, proceed with the last one, which is the exposure gamma. First keyframe of the exposure gamma guys is 2. Last keyframe is 0. Okay. Then copy lang natin yung graph na yun guys. Ganyan lang graph nyo dyan. Next is copy all effects agad natin to lahat guys. And paste here, dito, dito, and dito. So, paste nyo lang dyan. And then the next. And then the next. Okay. So, ganyan guys. Ganyan yung kalabas nyo dyan guys. Anyways, ganyan lang. And anyway guys, so mag-add lang ako ng dito na coloring niya, which is the ripple black mode coloring guys. So i-copy layer ko lang to. Anyways, nag-tutorial ako dito sa previous video ko guys. Ilagay ko dyan lang yung link sa comment section, no, para pero hindi na magbalik-balik yung tutorial natin. So anyway, so ganito guys. So punta lang kayo sa video, which is ang video na to. Punta lang kayo sa comment section. And then makita nyo dito ang coloring tutorial guys. So i-click lang natin yan. Okay, and then panoorin nyo na part dito mga lodi. So dun sa may last part ng video na to. So dito sa may 25 seconds banda. So i-forward nyo lang, no. Diyan sa may 25 seconds banda guys. So panoorin yung tutorial nyo dyan. Kasi tinuro ko dyan kung paano ito gawin guys, no. So ganyan lang guys, ganyan lang basic yung tutorial natin for this video. Sana enjoy kayo, no. So yes, if you are new here, please click the subscribe button and the bell button beside so that you will be updated in my next video. So thank you so much for watching this video guys. And yeah, so see you in my next one. Bye!